guys, this is Rishitha. Welcome back to our channel My. And today's topic is how to remove background in Photoshop 7.0. And I am open it and go at Photoshop 7.0. First we have to click Ctrl N. This box will be appear and give a name. I am giving this name as My Ideas. And we can select here ratio and here the background. We are removing the background, so we have to select transparent and click on it. It is the background. Now click Ctrl O and select the picture you need. I am taking this picture to remove background and I am doing it by clicking Ctrl plus. And now I am selecting this. It is also useful to select and cut the picture. And it is very easy to select the person and cut it. Okay, I am selecting this. It will be on shape, but we have to select it as part. Okay, we can see here 1 and 2. We have to select on second one and just click on there. I am zooming it. Okay, I zoomed it. And okay, it is the hair. We have to see properly and we have to select the outline. We have another method to easy to cut the hair, to mark the outline of the hair, but it is very difficult. It's just a basic. And now it's the straight part, so we have to join that to this. Okay. Now click on. Okay. Now click on Ctrl Enter. The part will be selected now. Now click on this. Okay, this part was moving. And add to this transparent. Okay, we have removed the background of this picture. See, compare it. We have removed the background. And you can save it here, file and save. You can save as PDF or Photoshop PDF or PNG. And our today topic is completed. I will be part 2. I will upload part 2 as soon as and this video target is 100 views. If it will get 100 views, I will do compulsory part 2. In part 2 you can use perfect haircut there. And bye bye.